21. 19.
Oh my god.
Snaggy 19. Try this one.
Okay.
I know the screen's a bit weird, but... Was that your number?
Yeah.
Is it?
Don't matter. I can still come in the area.
Go for it. Sorry the screen isn't max, this site doesn't let you do it, but...
Fuck you. Oh, sorry.
That's alright. It's pretty much all.
Oh, I had it for... Okay. Wait,
Yeah.
more than that. So it's like... Ooh. Sorry.
Sorry.
Come on!
Hey, he's got it, he got it. Nice. What's that, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. Oh, nice. Go on, shops. To 2 grand.
Or what? Half of it or what?
No, 2 grand.
No, I meant as a
Oh,
bet.
whatever you're feeling.
Mini one's a cat moment, by the way.
Yeah. Right, yeah. I've got a couple of bottles in the fridge, Stephen, but they're not Doms. No more bets. Go on. I don't know what I'm looking for.
Come on, go. Oh, shit.
Ah,
Sauce.
that's right.
My compliments to your mum.
You saved 25 quid.
Yeah, of course.
Cheers. On 25 quid and 21. Thank you. There you go. Put it on a bang. Yeah, that's right. No more bets.
Hello, nice to see you.
Your bets on roulette are like really like strategic.
You want a bit more?
21, yes!
Yes, come
So we go-
on.
Oh, thank God. Yes! What's that?
That's possible.
What does it say? To what?
I'll take it.
Oh yeah, that's all right. Repeat.
Yeah.
Come on, do you want to put any more? Or
Yeah, a bit more.
pretty quick.
That's a little bit more on 21.
I'll make the thing in a minute.
So,
My phone's off.
hmm?
My phone's off.
You fuck remember that. Come on!
Oh, 690.
Did I want not in Carol playing before? I don't know.
I don't. We get this 2 grand though. I'll repeat it.
If you want.
Hang on. It's enough of the repeat in it.
Oh, definitely enough for repeat.
Back to slots, you reckon? I don't know. It's just. I just say I wanted to get this to 2. Oh. Ah. Oh, I don't know. How much we in? Oh, it's quite a lot in. I think you got to go for it in there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ooh.
Oh, fucking.
There's a bit of 0 section covered there, so. Oh no. Oh no! 15. Oh, for fuck's sake! 32. Oh no, 32 would have been a loss. 19 would have been a shit.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh, that was a grand, didn't we? Hypa's fridge magnet is 1,900. Who the fuck is that? Someone is. Fair play, whoever just won
that,
there.
yeah.
That's really.
That's fucking brilliant.
I want to see if he wins again now. Whoever is, well done. Whoever hit that.
Love that.
That's a top winner. Please say they've won again. That was our number, was it?
Yeah.
Right, whoever that is, cash out because you've had a good hit there. Is it? Are they win again? Are they win again? No, okay, I hope they've cashed out, whoever that was.
Simon's fridge magnet.
Someone's come on and either like just made that username there or they had an account with this site, maybe? I don't know if I can... So I'll see one more spin. I just want to see if they win again. That was annoying. Oh. Cross bounce.
Oh, just get off now. Just
yeah,
get
that
off.
was there,
Yeah,
was it?
disgusting. Yeah, just go off.
Yeah. I like how it tells you to like deposit every time you lose, but...
Here's your number. Oh, so you got a name.
Yeah, I'm hoping that guy cashed out, whoever that was. Fair play. Fucking hell. Didn't expect to see that. It was you, it was Wiggy, was it? I don't know, it could be anyone.